Hey guys, it's me Arios, and today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make slime with glue. I'm using this glitter glue, and some Tide. And you will need glue and Tide and a bowl and something to mix with. So let's get started. So first you want to pour in your glue. How many glue you want? Any amount you want. I'm not going to do a lot. Just going to make a little bit, not too much. And it's hard to come out too, for it to come out. And next you want to pour in your Tide. I'm going to show you how much I used. I used that much, not a lot. And then you want to pour in your Tide just a little bit at a time. Like that. And then start mixing it together. And it will start to form like this. I think I need to add more Tide to it because it's not like this sticky. Just add a little. Sit. And then you want to start kneading it with your hands. Then it's going to start to form into slime. And if it's still too sticky, you could add more activator, more Tide into it. I might add like a little bit more because it's a little sticky to my hands. Alright. So it's like sticky. Alright, now it's formed. And get it off your hands. And this is how the slime turns out. how I made it. And here is how the slime turns out. This side. You can't get off my hands. I added more tartan into it so it can form better, and it did. It doesn't want to get off my hands. Alright. It's so squishy. So yeah, that's how you make the slime with the glue, the school glue, or the glitter glue. So yeah, that's how you make slime with glitter glue and tap. So guys, I hope you guys liked this video, and if you didn't subscribe, go subscribe and comment any other videos you want me to do. Bye guys, make sure to subscribe.